Suppose you wanted kids to understand that gravity pulls on moving objects just the same as it does on objects that fall straight down. So we present a problem to them in a way that they can understand. Suppose there's a hunter walking through the woods and he sees up in a tree a monkey. And the monkey sees the hunter. The hunter takes aim at the monkey and pulls the trigger at the exact instant that the monkey drops out of the tree. Will the bullet hit the monkey? Now the monkey's falling straight down because of gravity and the bullet is traveling upwards. Will they both meet in midair? How to present this? So what I did was took some parts, chunky parts, and put them together to make a paintball cannon. We have things like a laser pen that's sighted down the barrel. There's an air gun here that shoots a blast of air, and a micro switch. When the micro switch gets pushed down by the air gun, it lets go of an electromagnet that's fastened up by the ceiling. Attached to the electromagnet is a teddy bear with a target on his stomach. Teddy bear is just hanging up there. As soon as the cannon fires, teddy bear drops. Will the ball hit the teddy bear? And the kids try this from various positions in the room, and lo and behold, that paintball smacks right into the target on the teddy bear every time. They got to see in real time that a paintball going this way and a teddy bear falling this way would meet in the same place at the same time. Will a gun fire in space? That's what the kids wanted to know. Okay, they won't let you fire a gun in the classroom. So you have to go down to your local hardware store and buy one of these little babies. It's called a nail gun. It has a place here where you can put in a blank .22 cartridge and a place down here where you can put in a nail. When you press it against a surface really hard and smack the end of it, bammo, it shoots the nail into the concrete. However, you can take it apart and take out the parts that are dangerous. The barrel unscrews easily. Luckily for us, most of this can be sealed off. And we can just push the hammer mechanism right out of it. This is the hammer that I took out. When the bullet fires, hot gases push this piston downwards and it hits the head of the nail and drives it into the concrete. We remove this so that there's no chance that our gun is going to propel anything at all in the classroom. Now when we put it back together, there's nothing that can move in there. Just hot gases can come out. This is the pin that fires the bullet. Now you've got everything you need to fire off a blank in a safe manner. What we do is seal off all the places where air could get in. Duct tape works great. Seal off the front, seal off the side, hook a vacuum pump right to the barrel, and then let the kids smack it. Vacuum pump, being a high volume pump, sucks out the air from around it. This end is already sealed off, so that when we smack it, it should go boom. If the vacuum prevents the bullet from firing, they'll know right off because it won't go bang. They can feel it right through the metal when it goes off. If the vacuum prevents the bullet from working, nothing will happen. So if it does fire while under vacuum, it will fire in space because space is a nice strong vacuum. Here we have a computer fan. Behind that there's an old neon sign transformer. Makes about 15,000 volts. Over on this side, these white things are high voltage capacitors. Behind them, the things that looks like hot dogs are copper tubing from the plumbing supply. And behind that, that black thing is a vacuum cleaner nozzle. Up above, we have refrigerator tubing and a very finely wound bunch of copper wire that I got online. And above that, there's a pie tin and some aluminum duct, dryer duct wrapped with aluminum foil tape. And this whole thing, when you put it together, makes kind of a spectacular show.